Good morning, everyone, from Green Valley, Arizona. I'm on La Cañada, and this is today's Saguaro of the day. It kind of looks like a double. It looks like they're two separate saguaros that just so happen to grow really close to each other. And this is at the Santa Rita Nursing and Rehabilitation Center. All right. I'm naming this one, since it's two, I'm naming it Don and Donner. Don and Donner. It's got an arm right there. Oh, look at this baby arm. Look at that baby arm. That's pretty neat. It's today's Saguaro of the day. All right. There's the parking lot to that rehabilitation center. And some cars. There you go. It's interesting when these saguaros have a cobweb. See the cobwebs right there? That's always interesting. It's a little sad. Well, should I knock it out? Maybe I'll be respectful to the spiders, but that's a good ethical debate. You know, cobwebs on cactuses. So, all right, so this is today's Saguaro of the day. Look at that blue sky. Is that gorgeous? Or what? That is so pretty. All right, people. I appreciate you watching. Signing off from Green Valley. And you make it a great day in the desert.